Cash flow. If you're over the age of 18, you already know that cash flow, having cash available to you, not something that's coming next week or next month or in a year, but right now, or having cash in your hand or in the bank account, is really the only way to keep a household going, to be able to make your way in the world. Pretty much anyone today, unless you're living out in the desert or up in a mountain somewhere off the land, which is very, very tiny percent of the population, almost all of us need access to money. And there are times when, even if you have a job or you've saved some money, when you need more money than you thought you needed. In those cases, you need to take out a loan of some sort. This is often called a personal loan. So what I want to do here is show you an information resource I put together for you to help you figure out the best loan resource for you. So this is information for men and women who need a loan but have a poor credit score. You can use this information for making car payments that you're behind on, making mortgage or rent payments, or just taking out a personal or payday loan to pay for an emergency cash situation you may be up against, such as a medical situation, or maybe your car broke down, or any host of other things. So I want to show you an information resource I put together called MyBadCreditPersonalLender.com. And this is a website that I built for you to really share with you some options. It's very content rich, so I know people like information these days. This has a lot of information. You can see right here on the home page, it's got information on your personal loan options, telling the difference between different types of lenders, how personal loans can vary by type. There's different types of personal loans. Personal loans and how they affect your credit score, and how your credit score affects personal loans, and looking for bad credit personal loans, especially if you don't have a great credit score but need a loan right now, and also some tips to really consider before you apply for a loan. It's important to do your research. For example, personal loans are not for everybody. I mean, if you need cash right away, they can definitely help you, but they're also high interest. Make no mistake about it, personal loans are not something you want to do on a regular basis. It's for when you're in a situation where you really need cash and don't know what else to do. Maybe don't have the best credit score in the world, but you need cash. This is where you want to go and find out more. But long term, you want to find ways to either increase your cash flow or decrease your expenses. But that's a long-term plan. Not everyone has the luxury of a long-term plan when you're in a tight spot. So come to MyBadCreditPersonalLender.com to find out more. A little more information. I want you to understand how the site's structured. You've got the main pages over here on the right-hand side. You've also got articles here, which I'll show you in a moment. So the main pages are broken up into fast cash bad credit personal loans, bad credit instant approval personal loans, get a loan quick with bad credit, and bad credit auto title secured loans. Auto title loans are when you put the title or ownership of your car up against the loan itself. So in that case, you actually require a secured, that's called a secured loan because it's using collateral, which is your car. These other loan options don't require any kind of collateral like that. But you can click on those sections and obviously find out what you need to know about each of those sections. Again, this is very content rich, a lot of information. Also, I encourage you to click on the articles page. You can also see the articles are broken up into sections. The articles are all listed right here. Each of these is an independent article for you. Emergency cash loans, fast bad credit personal loans, poor credit personal loans, and unsecured personal loans. Each of these sections is important depending on what your situation is. Again, unsecured loans are for people that want loans that when you don't have any kind of collateral to put up, such as a car or an expensive musical instrument or some other item of value, piece of jewelry. If you don't have that kind of collateral, you would want an unsecured personal loan. So anyway, I put this together for you. I hope you take advantage of this resource. This can really help you really get a sense for what's out there, what your options are, making sure you get the very lowest interest rate possible. So please check out MyBadCreditPersonalLender.com, just like it sounds. Read the information there and arm yourself with what you need to get the best, lowest rate personal loan out there. Good luck.